Okay. Very good morning to all of you. Good morning. So, I will take your English grammar. As you can see on the board that today I will take your English grammar, and from the chapter I will start chapter number 15. Chapter number 15 is are am. Chapter number 15 is are am. Okay, so yes, good morning, very good morning to all of you. So today I will start chapter number 15, that is are am. All of you open page number 39 of your grammar book. Page number 39. Page number 39 of your grammar book. Okay. So, first let us understand where we can use is, are and am. First, let me discuss where we can use am. Can you tell me? I know you can tell me where we can use am. Debopriya, switch off the camera. Switch off the camera. Yes. So, we always use am just after I. Yes, we always use am just after I. Or after I, we cannot use anything like is or are. We always need to use am. So, I always takes am. And where we can use is, I know you can tell me. Let me see who can say is. Yes, is always used in case of any singular subject. It can be he, she, it or anything. It can be any name like if I write Anushka, it will also take is. So, any kind of a singular subject that will take is with it. If I write like that, the book is good. So, here the subject is in singular form. That's why we will use is with that. The subject means the book. Here the subjects are he, she, it or any kind of a name that will use is. And always remember that when the subject is in singular form, that is one will be one, then that will take is with that. Okay. And lastly, where we use are. You can also tell that, I know. So, where we use are, let us see. So, I am erasing the board. Let us see where we use are. Yes, yes, all of you have answered correct. Very good. I know that you know that where we use are, but let me tell you once again that we, they, not only of we, they, when these are subjects, isn't it? When the subject is in plural form, we means we. We are not in singular, that is not in one, that is more than one. So, we, they, when the subject will be more than one, means then they will take are with them. Okay, so and not only it can be we or they, it can be like other examples. If I take this example, like the trees are green. Trees, here the subject trees, and we all know that we make plural to the subject by adding s or es, isn't it? So when the subject is in plural form, that is more than one, that will take are with it. Clear? I know you know. Yes, and also correct, and also you will always take are. You, we can use you as singular and plural, and in both the cases we use are with it. We will always take are with it. Yes, so where we can use are, when the subject is in plural form, that can be we, they, or anything it can be. And this kind of a sentence also, like here the trees are green, trees here is plural, that is more than one, it will also take. And when the subject will be you, that will always take are with it. Yeah, okay, so I think this is clear that where we use is, am, are. Let me tell you once again that am is always used just after I, am is always used just after I. Then we will use is when the subject will be in singular form, and are will be used when the subject will be in plural form, and you will also take are always. Okay, so this is where we will use is, am, are. And also if I tell you that here, see, you can see the book, right? That is, here you can see a box, and here everything is mentioned clearly. Okay, this here, the yellow colored box you can see over the book, and that is there you can find everything is mentioned clearly. Okay, now can we proceed towards the exercise? I am erasing the board, and let us try to do the exercises. B part, from B part we can see the exercises. Number 1, I dash Ritu's brother. I dash Ritu's brother. I dash Ritu's brother. I dash in class 2. I dash in class 2. Now tell me what it is. Yes, good. So I can see that you have written. Yes, all of you are answering correct. Very good. Yes, okay. Yeah, so yes, as I can see, all of you have answered correctly. I am. I always takes am with it. So here will be I am Ritu's brother. I am in class 2. Correct. Very good. Very good. All of you have answered correctly. Very good. Number 2. Ritu dash my sister. Ritu dash. Okay, let me do this. Ritu dash my sister. Ritu dash my sister. She dash in a play school. She dash in a play school. So, yes, this will take is. All of you are answering correct. Very good. I'm very happy to know that all of you have understood this and answering it correctly. Very good. So, there will be Ritu is in singular form. So, it will take is. Ritu is my sister and she is again, because she is also in singular form. Very good. As I can see, all of you have correct answered all the things. Very good. And number 3. Yes, as I can see. Yeah, very good. Number 3. Our parents dash. Our parents dash very fond of us. Very fond of us. So, our parents are. Yes, are. So, here it is, the subject is in plural form. So, it will take are with it. Our parents are very fond of us. Yeah. And also, I am seeing that all of you are answering correct. Very good. Now, I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. All of you who are present, write P or present in the chat box. Let me take your present. Okay, students, I have taken your present. Now, let's do the next number, that is number 4. So, up to 3 all of you completed. Will I erase the board? I am erasing number 1. Okay, I hope number 1 you have completed. Okay, and I can see some of you have done all the exercises. Very good. Number 4. We dash proud of our parents. We dash proud of our parents. Here we is in yes. Correct. Very good. We are. We are, because the subject we is in plural form, that is more than one. So we will write are. We are proud of our parents. We are proud of our parents. Okay. Today I have done up to this, up to number 4, because the time is up. Okay. And as I can see that all of you have, some of you have done all the exercises. Very good. And the other students, you can also do the other exercises at your home, and I will discuss the rest ones in your next class. Okay. So today is up to this. Have a nice day all of you. Bye. Have a nice day all of you. Bye. Bye.